hello guys, welcome back to my channel Dong Hey TV. So today videos I'm going to do a reaction video for Bella Santiago. Actually guys, this is my second time that I will do a reaction video for Bella Santiago for this song Rolling in the Deep, inspired by Casey Tandingan. So guys, this is your request. Thank you so much guys for requesting the song, and of course guys, for videos, any comment and any suggestions, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Dong Hey TV. And don't forget to leave a comment below. And don't forget guys to hit the right button and of course the bell button so you're notified if I have new uploaded videos on my channel. So guys, yeah, without further ado guys, let's watch this video. There we go. What? Wow, look at that guys. She's a little bit sexy than Casey. Look at that guys. She's so amazing. Wow. The confidence, wow. I'm really amazed for his confidence guys. Wow. Whoa, 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 look at that guys. Look at that guys, she's so amazing. She nailed it. Look at that, wow. Look at that guys. She's so sexy. Bella Santiago. And guys, for those who would not know where is this is in X Factor Romania. Oh my god, look at that guys. What? Look at that. Look at the confidence guys. Oh my god. Totally blown away for this performance. Wow. I'm really amazed with Bella. Look at that guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching Dong Hey TV. That was Bella Santiago. Wow, I am so deep impressed with his incredible performance guys. The way she sing the song, wow. She nailed it guys, and she totally blown me away for that performance. Wow, okay, that's inspired by Casey Tandingan. She nailed it guys, the way he sing the song. Wow, it looks like Casey Tandingan. Wow, thank you so much guys for requesting the song. So yeah, I think that's all for now guys. Thank you so much for watching Dong Hey TV, and for our videos, any comment and any suggestions, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Dong Hey TV, and don't forget to leave a comment below. And don't forget guys to hit the red button and of course the bell button so you're notified if I have new uploaded videos on my channel. And thank you so much guys for all my subscribers. I have now a total of 1,564 as of now. Thank you so much guys for the unstoppable support to my channel. And of course, for all my new viewers, please don't forget guys to watch all my reaction videos and travel vlogs also. I will do also travel vlogs here on my channel guys. So that's all for now guys. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye. Thank you so much.